Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The National Water Commission, the NWC, now has more money to adequately pay down its debt and fund more infrastructural projects. The company is receiving a $15 billion bond arranged by the National Commercial Bank Capital Markets. The bond arrangement comes after revelations that the NWC is heavily indebted, owing millions, mainly US denominated loans totaling $59 million and non-compliance from delinquent customers. Chairman of the NWC, Senator Orbin Hill, says the Commission is now in a position to refinance these loans and fix long-standing issues plaguing the island's water infrastructure.
The money is going to be used. We're putting in 450,000 new smart meters, and them stick it to me already. My water bill used to be 7,000. Now it's something closer to 13 or 14. Every drop of water that you use, that meter catch.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says this sets a precedence for similar deals, noting that the money is being offered in local currency and has a repayment period of up to 40 years.
We took a strategic decision. Let us ensure that if we're going to borrow, we borrow smartly. And the conditions exist now for us to refinance these expensive US dollar debts to Jamaican dollars. So the decision was made that we should ensure that NWC's debt is currency aligned, because there was a great misalignment. So the NWC took on debt in foreign currency at high rates. Some of its debt was as high as 9.7% for US dollars.
To the markets now, the price of oil settled slightly lower today. Oil for delivery in June sold for $70.94 at the end of trading. It's down 3 cents. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.02. The Canadian dollar went for $96.77, while the pound traded for $170.26 and the euro for $150.38. The JC index lost over 131 points today, while the junior market index gained 37 points. Among the winners today were Salada Foods, Stationery Office and Supplies, Lasco Distributors, Siboney Group, KLE Group, Lasco Manufacturing, Scotia Group, and Consolidated Bakeries. On the losing side were Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Cement Company, Derrimont Trading, Proven Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Jamaica Producers Group, and JMMB Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.